Hey, how's it going? So we have a beautiful day here in Michigan. I think it's going to be like 65 degrees outside. So I thought, you know what? I want to get some yard work done, but we also need to have a meal. So I'm going to pick up some sticks, get a little fire going, and I'm going to make some, using some pantry items that we have, I'm going to make a homemade pea soup. All right, so come on along and see how we cook over the fire using cast iron and mostly our freeze-dried stuff. Let's see if we can get this puppy going. We need some good coals to be going all day. We'll throw in some celery greens for a little flavor. Here's the smoked ham hock. We're going to let that cook away for probably a good hour or so. This has been boiling for about an hour. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our split peas and we're going to add them in. Take a look at this. So I've taken the freeze-dried ham cubes, put them in some water to rehydrate, and then we'll throw those into the pot of soup. Gonna add in the reconstituted pork cubes. Freeze-dried potatoes. Freeze-dried onions. Freeze-dried carrots and some celery. This is freeze-dried ground up ham. These are freeze-dried, fresh frozen peas. These will give us a little bit like of a texture to the soup. So we are going to be adding some of this ham flavored soup base. If you don't want to use this, just throw in some salt and pepper and a bay leaf, will be completely fine. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. You could see by the things that we added to that soup, they were things that when I had freeze-dried them, they were in surplus. So I freeze-dried them, put them up, and then when we had a busy day, I was able to throw all that stuff together into a pot. I kind of had to watch it a little bit, but really not a whole lot. So it was a quick, healthy meal. So if you guys are interested in these kind of things, hit the like button, the little subscribe button, so that you get notifications when we put out new videos like this. And you don't have to have the freeze-dried foods. So you could switch out, you know, everything that we had in there for fresh and make a homemade pea soup. All right, guys, we're going to continue doing fun things like this. When the weather presents nice and we can cook outside, we're going to be doing that. All right, so until next time, keep on cooking.